How to switch back to classic Facebook. So if you want to get Facebook old version, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to go with your search and search for Facebook. Search for facebook.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. Just simply scroll down, or you can just simply go with your settings option, which will be right here under your see more section, or just simply go with your profile, which will be in the top right. And here you need to go with help and support. After that, go with report a problem and go with include. And here you need to go with allow. And here you need to go with detailed. So you need to enter as much info as possible. You need to write that I want to switch back to a classic Facebook. And then you can also search for an area. Like for example, I'll just simply go with profile and go with submit report. And after submitting your report within a few hours or a few days, Facebook will help you on how you can switch back to your classic Facebook profile. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.